Come on, dude. It's completely freaking dead. Guy from AutoZone said the battery had no hope. I was about to spend like 100 and something, but I believe it. Oh my gosh, I have no idea how this car turned on, boys, but I don't think I recorded anything. I went to AutoZone like an hour and a half ago, dropped the battery off, came back, put the battery in. Actually, he told me that it was bad, and I was gonna leave the battery, buy a new one, but I was like, you know what? Brittany got me. And here we are now. The battery's fine, and we're on our way to the gym. Yes, success. Moral of the story, believe in yourselves, believe in your car, and never give up. Coming into this gas station is the biggest struggle. Literally, to get over here, I had to go through like the biggest mountain of a speed bump, or whatever you want to call it. Medium, it's literally a median. That's how bad it is. Really, bro? Alright, we're good. The struggle of having a broken fuel pump. It really sucks. Imagine my car doesn't turn on again. Whew. It's like freaking going down Mount Everest or something, dude. I'm still gonna go. Might have taken a yellow. Oh, then my phone just fell in the hole. No! Ah! There we go, got it. Yo, that pulled so hard. Is it because I haven't done a pull in a while? Holy crap. Yo, this Prius trying to race, bro. Oh, he got me off. What is going on, boys? Another thing, the vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day as always. Today we're gonna clean, or at least attempt to clean both these. That right there that you saw, a new power washer we got. My dad actually got a new power washer for us. It's super clean. Probably not the greatest thing, but it is gonna get the job done, and I'm really excited to use it because if it works pretty decent, I wouldn't really have to go anywhere anymore to wash the car. So we'll see how it goes. Which by the way, I have news for Lizzie. I know you guys haven't seen her in the channel for about 2 weeks. Pretty long time, I know, but don't worry. I'm working on stuff. Here's the one we got in case you guys are gonna want to go ahead and buy it. One thing I am complaining about, look how small this little I guess you could say, bottle of where you put the soap is, like. And you can't really use the other hose with this. You kind of gotta just throw the soap with it. Let me show you guys. You have to disconnect this attachment, which is what shoots out water. And then you can only, oh god, I'm just horrible at this. You can only use this one and just to throw out soap, so. But the spread is not that bad. Definitely does the job. I mean, we're 70 bucks. We're pretty happy. Change of plans, sadly. All right, we cannot wash the 300, sadly. That sucks. I mean, it's been raining a lot, but she has a bunch of like, what do you call it? Grease stains. You guys know when you're working on your car and your hands are all greasy and then your car looks like this. I know, it's bad, but we can't get to that today, sadly, so we're gonna leave it for another day though. 100% before I take it to the mechanic, which, I'm gonna talk to you guys about that right now. All right, so let me show you guys. I don't think I ever showed you what the 120K mile kit, not mile kit, like the 120K maintenance kit looks like for the 300. So there's basically everything that comes in the kit right here. And yes, it's all OEM from Nissan, but over here you got the water pump, you got belts, hoses, bearings, I don't even know what this is, tensioner assembly, some weird looking thing. There's so much going for this car, like holy crap. And it is all from Z1 Motorsports. Sadly, I am gonna say this right now, that is the one thing we're not gonna do for the 300. Oh, you guys heard that scraping? Trying to make it pop. Oh god. Yo, my car pop's really loud for not being tuned. I'm going third at about, alright, let me show you guys, I'm going third at about, I would say 30 miles per hour and go to second. Oh my gosh! Wait, what? Bro, are you guys hearing that? We found a new spot, let's go! Not gonna lie, boys. Oh my gosh, I don't even think you can see me. But she looks pretty clean, not gonna lie. I didn't think it was gonna do that great of a job since it's not really a true pressure washer, whatever you wanna call it. But the side of the car looks really clean. The hood, a little bit dirty from this angle. You guys can't really see on camera, but everything else, pretty good. I'm gonna give that a pretty decent thumbs up. You guys wanna see this? I want to talk to you guys real quick about the 300. So we're not going to be doing the 120K maintenance ourselves because, to be honest, boys, I'll pull the engine, I drop the transmission with my friends like I did, but when it comes to doing something as big as the timing, because that's like the timing, the water pump, you got to do a bunch of things that, to be honest, I'm not the greatest like mechanic at doing those like specific. You got to count every single teeth so you get the timing correctly. I feel like right now, it's not the time for me to learn. I just want to get started with the build, you know. After we do the 120K maintenance, which fingers crossed is going to be next week. I'm waiting on the date that I can bring the car into my friend. And he's also going to fix the clutch pedal. We're going to be good on driving. He's also going to fix the knock sensor so we can go on higher boost. Thank you guys for sticking along, honestly. I don't have the craziest vlogs all the time, but you guys keep coming back and watching every single one of my videos. And I just want to say thank you. I'm like trying to find, oh, there we go. There's my face. Thank you, boys. Like 21.5K subscribers. This little dude with just a car and a dream, and damn, thank you guys so much. All of this, none of this would be possible without you guys, so thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and now end up the vlog right there. Thank you boys so much for watching today's video. smash that thumbs up. Go ahead and give it a share with your friends. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get to 25K. Let's look at Brittany because she looks so good under this lighting. And I'm really scared right now. I can literally just get jumped and I'm here by myself. So just for you, bros.